Okay guys, so we have more questions for you. What we have now is to pick from that book a random question and try to answer it. And don't worry about the Italian pronunciation at all.
Okay. No problem.
Sounds good.
Thank you, please.
Okay. Quale artista non può assolutamente mancare nella playlist di Camille?
Okay.
That's so difficult.
I have an answer.
Okay. Okay, I have my answer.
That's all right.
No.
Oh, does he?
Yeah.
Okay,
Wait.
is he right?
Well, no.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a pretty good pick, though. I feel like you've got some.
No.
Selena Gomez
I
stuff.
think the second one would have been like Lana Del Rey. Or like
Okay, I don't like Lana Del Rey, so Selena Gomez it is.
I like Lana Del Rey.
Well,
The question was for
I don't
me.
Like, I don't like that you like Lana Del Rey. Qual è la cosa che Jonathan non dimentica mai di mettere in valigia per un viaggio?
What's one
Okay.
thing that Jonathan never forgets to pack for a trip?
Okay.
Oh, well.
Okay, well don't
This
just say
is
the
so
answer.
easy.
Don't say the answer I just said.
Okay, fine. I'll say a different answer. Oh, this is also so easy. Wait, don't look though.
Okay. Alright.
I said his camera times 2.
Oh, that's good. That's
Because he
good.
has 2 cameras and he brings
Good.
both of them
That
on
is
every
true.
trip.
Every trip. This is true.
In Viaggio, Jonathan preferisce provare il cibo di strada o andare in ristoranti più curati. Rather try street food? Oh. This is so easy.
Yeah. I got it.
Wait, I need to look this.
Oh. Nice.
Curious.
That was
Okay.
That was
pretty.
super
Okay, well,
easy if you know
You
Jonathan.
know each other.
Yeah.
Jonathan would never try street food.
Qual è il sabato sera preferito di Camille? Oh, what is Camille's favorite Saturday night? This is a very good question.
Okay.
So I have an agenda. It goes
Bar.
dinner, bar, club, bar.
Mine is bar, dinner, bar, club. You
More
don't,
like-
you don't go back to the bar after the club.
Yeah, you do. 'cause-
No, you don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, they're closed. That's
Well,
why you go to the
no,
club.
but there's a 24-hour one. You go like it's like 4
But
in the
like, why
morning.
would you go back?
You gotta get like the nightcap.
No, I would never do that.
Okay, but the bar was right.
Yeah, but it's like bar before
Bar,
dinner.
bar club. Okay, fair enough.
Oh, okay, my turn.
Yep.
Qual è la meta di viaggio dei sogni di Camille? Oh, dream travel destination?
I'm gonna be so mean. You're gonna hate me after this.
Okay. Wait,
Oh, it's gonna be brutal.
if I spelled it right.
Turin, Italy. She really loves culture there.
I said Copenhagen.
Oh.
You're not wrong though.
Okay, qual è il piatto preferito di Jonathan? Good dish.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. I think I know.
Good talk.
Don't look.
My favorite dish. All right. New York strip steak.
I said steak.
Oh wow, okay. That's
Jonathan preferisce una vacanza rilassante o un'avventura on the road?
good. Oh.
Oh. On the road adventure.
Yep. Okay. Quale lingue parla Camille? How many languages can you speak? It's a great question. Zero, because you have a California accent and that doesn't actually count.
What?
It's actually -1. So she speaks no languages.
I only speak English. I'm learning
I disagree.
Italian. Oh, okay. This one's about ENAIP social contest.
Oh yes.
We invite you to share with us your favorite photos or videos or from your favorite trip that you've taken or one that you want to take in the future. You can participate either solo or with your class, and then tag ENAIP and hashtag ENAIP social contest.
We're looking forward to see who wins.
Bye.
Bye.